loggers.
Let me have a look first. Oh, is that hair?
Okay guys, so we've picked up a caravan. This is going to be our next family project to turn this into one of the best caravans you've ever seen. Just getting set up, ready for demo day. We're just going to rip out all the furnishings. Anything not strapped down, it's got to go. So this is obviously a Jayco 1984. It doesn't leak up here, but I've just got to fix a few minor damages down the bottom. And obviously the pop top, replace the canvas. It's not too much to replace them these days. I'll give you a quick look inside if I'm allowed. Chat, buddy. So there we go. Rip all this out. Cupboards. Oh my goodness. Oh, some free curtains if anyone wants them. Got the gazebo up so we can start the demo day. Real man got his gloves. You ready, Winston?
Back. Thank you.
Oh, gross. Let me have a look first. Oh, is that hair?
Nah, it's alright.
Check the freezer. Might be hair. Oh,
We're leaving as much as we can just to keep the structure in the caravan, and then one by one we'll do one section at a time, replace the wall, get rid of this in a minute. Yeah, a fair bit of space to work with, it's pretty good. What do you reckon? We'll chill out for a bit, mate?
But how come you're pulling the door off?
They must have assembled the fridge inside here because it won't fit through that door. So I don't know. Fridge door. Righto guys, so we've torn this wall down here. Plan is to run 12 volt, so piss all this 240 volt wiring off. What are you up to, little one? Yeah. Yeah, sweet. Finished our first Bunnings run. A few different items here. Gone with a 3mm hardwood ply for the walls. Sikaflex, best shit you can get. Rip this bit up.
Oh, you're joking. A set of pluggers.
Antique model, those ones.
Oh, look at that spider.
Oh,
Shield dead.
So we're just going to run 12 volt lights with a deep cycle under there, just so we can see inside the shed. Yeah. It'd be pretty cool to have a whole roof full of those. We've gone through, we've decided on a new plan. See if I can get this there. That's the main entry, and you'll be faced with a nice bar across here at the front window. The fridge and 12 volt system is going to go under a bench, so you can sit on that. And there's your kitchen there, bunk beds, and the main bed. So a nice bar across the front. That's going to be pretty good. So guys, hit that like button, subscribe, and we'll keep these videos coming. It's going to be an awesome camper by the end of this. See you next time.